Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you're well. So in today's video friends, I will share some amazing stylish royal fashion ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Sofia of Spain royal fashions. Sofia of Spain is known for her timeless and classic royal fashion. Her style is elegant, simple, and always defined. She now chooses soft and natural colors like cream, light blue, green, and pastel shades. These colors give her a claim, graceful and royal appearance. Queen Sofia is famous for her courts and tighted dresses. She combined them with classic skirts or trousers, always showing balance and pose. She pays great attention to accessories, but are one of her favorite choices. She also wears simple earring, brooches, and elegant handbags. Her sarees always match her outfits perfectly. Queen Sofia also wear beautiful hats for formal royal events. The hats are elegant, never too flashy, and complete her royal look. Even in casual public appearance, she looks graceful and polished. Her fashion reflects respect for tradition but also modern elegance. Queen Sofia royal style is timeless. It teaches that true elegance comes from simple, confident, and grace. Every outfit she wears reflects identity, pose, and sophisticated. Queen Sofia is truly a fashion icon in the world of royalty. And viewers, Queen Sofia of Spain is a true example of timeless elegance. She prefers clothing that is simple, neat, and perfectly tied. Soft colors like cream, power blue, and light pink are often seen in her wardrobe. These shades give her a claim and graceful presence. Her dresses and skirts are always classic, not too flashy. She combines jackets, created dresses, skirt with her dress to create a polished look. Her sarees are always delicate and refined. Queen Sofia loves pearl and small brooches and elegant handbags. Her shoes always match the outfits and complete her look. For official royal events, she wears beautiful hats. The hats are elegant and restrained and always stylish. Even training casual appearance, she looks composed and graceful. Her fashion show that elegance is not about trend, about balance, dignity, and confidence. Queen Sofia teaches that royal fashion is about simplest pose and timeless beauty. Queen Sofia fashion is a reflection of personality, calm, elegant, and kind. At public events, she always chooses cloth that suits. Soft pastel shades are never favorite, but she also wears navy deep green for formal events. Her coats and dresses are always well fit. They highlight her graceful posture and confident pearl and jewelry are her signature. Sarees, even her handbags and shoes are coordinated perfectly. Queen Sofia also wears elegant hat at royal events. These hats add sophisticated without being too flashy. Her style is admired all over the world. It shows that elegance comes from simplicity and respect for tradition. She proved that royal fashion is timeless, refined, and graceful. Queen Sofia is not only known for her dresses but also for her accessories. Pearl, one of her favorite choices. She wears pearl necklaces, bracelets, and earrings that match her outfits. Elegant brooches are often pinned to jacket or coats. These small details make her outfit complete. Her handbags are classic and understated. She chooses soft colors that match her coats and dresses. Even her shoes are carefully selected. Queen Sofia's stories show that true style is in the details. Her fashion teaches that elegance is not only the dresses but also the thoughtful use of accessories to create harmony and balance. Queen Sofia often wear hat for formal occasions and ceremonies. The complete her royal look perfectly. Queen Sofia balances her head with simple dresses and jacket. Nothing is too loud or overwhelming. Every elements of her outfits work together to create a graceful person. She also wears gloves, jewelry, camera, events. This combination shows respect, dignity, and pose. Queen Sofia's ceremonial fashion is admired by royal and fashion lovers around the world. It proves that elegance is timeless and thoughtful. And weavers Queen Sofia of Spain is admired not only for her grace but also for her confidence. Her fashion choice reflect her personality, cream and timeless. She often chooses tighter dresses, elegant coats that fit her perfectly. Soft color like cream, pastel pink, power blue are the wardrobe. They give her a clean and approach safer appearance even in darker colors like navy, deep green or richly Queen Sofia look elegant and convenient. Her accessories are always subtle but meaningful. Pearl brooches and small earrings complement her royal look perfectly. Queen Sofia often wears elegant hat for official events. The hat are classic, refined, never overpowering her outfits. Her style teaches that royal elegance is about pose, balance, and confidence. Every outfit she wears contains respect, dignity, and timeless beauty. She reminds us that fashion is not only about trend but about how we carry ourselves with grace and confidence. Queen Sofia has been a style icon for decades. Her royal fashion is classic, clean, and timeless. She wears full of fast fashion trend instant. She chooses elegant polish and sophisticated design that reflect both modernity and royal traditional stories are carefully chosen to complete the look. Per necklaces, elegant brooches, and matching handbags show attention to detail. Queen Sofia head collection is always utterly from soft flower design to white classic. Her hats always add a touch to our outfits. Her elegance is not limited for formal events.